This is David Memon of Lotto Odds and Match 3 Colors. It is August 5th, 2024. Okay, this is going to be a part 2 to yesterday's video labeled Pick 3 Strategy for Beginners. Pick 3 Strategy for Beginners. So that was part 1, which was more intense and it got really deep into details. Uh, Unfortunately, there are some people who still don't get it, so I am going to really simplify this for you. And here it goes. Right there. That's it. All right. Here's the pattern. I'm in Texas right now, okay, because it's got 4 draws. Patterns come around quicker, okay, with 4 draws a day. So look, here's the pattern. Hit, hit. We're on the mobile web page. So you choose this. Hit, hit, okay? And then we're going to look at all these colors, 5 colors, to choose to see where the numbers are. And we're going to start with singles and doubles. So we're going to work with just singles and doubles. Keep that in mind. And here are optional uh, feature filters. We're only going to utilize 2 of them, the binary and the front back split pairs. That's it. Turn off everything in the binary here, keep 00 on. Here in front back split pair, turn off everything except just leave on low, low, even, even, odd. That is it. Simplified. So from the yesterday's video, part 1, went over this, made it more complicated, went into deeper details. If you want to look at that, you can. But this is what it is. This is the bottom line, okay? You play this pattern, okay? And this is where the power of Lotto Odds comes in. It will tell you when to play the numbers, and it will give you the numbers to play, okay? Let me close this first. You're going to now go through these 5, right? For singles, then you're going to choose double and go through the 5 again. What you're looking for is numbers to see if there are numbers to play for the next draw. So pink, no numbers. Brown, no numbers. Green, no numbers. Gray, no numbers. Yellow, no numbers. That's for the single. Now we're going to go to the double. Yellow, no numbers. Pink, no numbers. Brown, no numbers. Green, no numbers. Gray, no numbers. That's how simple it is. If there are no numbers, it is telling you, it is guaranteeing you that there is no chance for the winner to be this pattern, okay? For the next draw, okay? Neither singles nor doubles will win, okay? So you check this pattern. You do this every time prior to the next draw, using Texas again. And if there are numbers there, then you play the numbers because the program is telling you these are the numbers to play and these have a chance to win. Not guaranteed to win because nothing can predict the future, but it tells you this have potential. These numbers have the potential to win next draw. But what this can do, it can absolutely tell you that there are no numbers here that can win next draw for this pattern. So it can predict, in a sense, the future. It can, in a sense, it could take this pattern and it could tell you for the next draw, this pattern will not win. Okay? For this state, this pattern. Okay? Now, this pattern does win multiple times a month. And there you go. These are 18 wins, right? And what was the pattern? Look, hit, hit, low, low, even, odd, 0, 0. And look at this one. Hit, hit, low, low, even, 0, 0. And what did we say? Hit, hit, low, low, even, or even, odd, and 0, 0. That's the pattern. These are all the patterns. Where you see the blue, look, they're all the patterns. They're similar patterns. They either, it's the difference is here with either even, or even, odd. That's the only difference with this, and it won 18 times, okay? And it will show up here. Just the numbers that the patterns I showed you here when we went through them one by one. If the winner is going to show up in the next draw, it will be displayed here, okay? For example, let me try to get a state to see where numbers will appear. Let's start the first state, Arkansas. There, see? There are numbers. There's the pattern, and it's telling you with the doubles for this hit for the gray. Here, these are the numbers to play. for the next draw. Let's see. Um, Pink, these are the numbers. There. Brown, these are the numbers here. And these are doubles we're looking at, right? There. It's 2 for green and yellow. There you go for yellow. So it's showing you for Arkansas. Okay, so it does have, it will produce the numbers when they're ready to hit. So here, Texas now has no numbers, okay? So take it from there, all right? Use that pattern. Look prior before the drawings, right? And if you see numbers there, play the numbers. That simple, okay? I hope you get it, all right? I'm sure you do. All right, I wish you the best.